This is a domestic news update on Top Accolade News. I'm Ojo Romeo Kocha. The Association of Resident Doctors in the Federal Capital Territory Administration on Monday announced the suspension of its 30-day strike following the approval of their demand by FCT Minister Nyesom Wike. The industrial action, which began on November 1st, 2025, involved doctors across 14 districts and general hospitals, including the Department of Public Health, and had significantly disrupted medical services, leading to delays in patient care and placing increased pressure on the remaining healthcare staff. ARD-FCTA President Dr. George Ebong said the strike will remain suspended for 4 weeks to allow time for the implementation of the approved improvement in working condition, welfare packages, fair remuneration, and other essential demands. However, he warned that the doctors would not hesitate to resume industrial action if the FCTA fails to fulfill this commitment within the stipulated period. The strike underscored ongoing challenges in Nigeria's healthcare system, highlighting the critical role of resident doctors in sustaining medical services across the FCT. After a month of halted care and mounting public frustration, the temporary suspension offers cautious relief, but the promise of reform now rests on action, not words. As FCT resident doctors suspend their month-long strike to ease the strain on hospitals, Akwa Ibom residents face a very different kind of regulation, with masquerades now banned from the streets and festival events. Akwa Ibom State Governor Umo Eno on Sunday announced a statewide proscription of masquerade displays, citing their use to terrorize citizens, extort money, and disrupt public order. Speaking at the 25th wedding anniversary of Permanent Secretary Edem Selong and his spouse at the Methodist Church in Uyo, Eno directed the Commissioner of Police and other security agencies to arrest and prosecute any masquerade seen on the streets. He further instructed local government chairmen to exclude masquerade from all cultural presentations during the state's Christmas festival, which begins on December 1st, 2025, starting with the Christmas Unplugged event at the Christmas Village. Eno described masquerade displays as inconsistent with the Christian identity of Akwa Ibom, warning that their use to intimidate residents will no longer be tolerated. He also announced plans to pay workers their 13th month salary before December 20th. In Akwa Ibom, where faith, law, and culture intersect, masquerade must yield to peace, safety, and public order.